Hello, today we will guide you through how to pay multiple bills with a check in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and go to the home page. This is where you'll begin the bill payment process. Once you're in QuickBooks, move your mouse to the Create button at the top left of the screen. Hovering over this menu will reveal several transaction options you can work with. From that menu, click Pay Bills. This takes you to the bill payment screen, where you can review unpaid bills and choose which ones you want to pay together. If you're paying multiple bills with one check, this is the area where everything is selected and organized before printing. Next, find the payment account field and choose your checking account. This is important because QuickBooks needs to know which bank account the payment is coming from. Make sure the correct checking account is selected so your records stay accurate and the payment is tied to the right account. After that, select the sample bills you want to pay. You'll usually do this by checking the boxes next to each bill. As you choose bills, QuickBooks will update the payment details for you. Take a moment here to confirm that the bills you selected are the ones you actually want included on this check. Once your bills are selected, look toward the bottom right area of the screen for the drop-down menu and click on it. This menu gives you additional action options for how you want to complete the payment. From there, choose Save and Print. This tells QuickBooks that you're ready to record the payment and move on to printing the check. When prompted, enter the checking number. This is the check number that will be assigned to the payment. Be careful to enter the correct number so your printed check matches your accounting records. Keeping check numbers accurate can help avoid confusion later when you're reviewing transactions or reconciling your bank account. After you've entered the check number, click Preview, Preview, and Print. This lets you review the check before finalizing it. It's a good idea to quickly look over the details to make sure the payment account, selected bills, and check information all appear correctly. Once everything looks right in the preview, you're ready to print the check and complete the process. That's how to pay multiple bills with a check in QuickBooks Online.